Hello guys, a very warm welcome to my channel. It's Choma here back with another video, and for today I wanted to give you a mini tour. It's not going to be of my whole room, just my new shelf in the back. You would have noticed that I've got a new background, and thanks to the mister, he blessed me. This is literally like the best birthday present a girl can ask for. So he was just like, you know what, Choma, you've been talking about the shelf for the longest time. I'm just gonna go ahead and get this for you for your birthday. So on my birthday I got a shelf. I legit got a shelf for my birthday. It's a simple bookshelf that you can get from IKEA, but it is literally legitimately made all the difference. I'll give you guys like a mini tour of how I've actually organized my life in 2018 with my products, because I feel like my life needed to be organized. And it's so important to like clear your mind, declutter, get rid of anything that you're holding on to. Don't be a hoarder in life. That's what I always say. It feels so much better. Like I've got more space to film, all of that good stuff. It really is nice. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm sharing with you guys quickly, of course, all my products that I have, and I will also show you guys how I've organized everything and how it's going to work a lot better for me, which is actually pretty awesome. So if you want to see how I decluttered and organized my natural hair products life, then stick around. Basically, this was the situation before. This is literally all the stories that I had to work with the products that you're about to see. You can only imagine what my room looked like. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you know in my Instagram stories you would have seen what I was working with before. So I showed you guys like my products before and where they were before. I literally just had 1, 2, 3, 4 baskets that I would put products in that weren't fitting for nothing, and I couldn't see anything. I couldn't do what. I'm like, something needed to happen. So I went from like those 4 baskets to work with to this beautiful thing right behind me. Right, okay, so let's get started. So I wanted to show you guys the length of the shelf. So right from the top, you guys can see, and it goes all the way down to the bottom. And I'll talk you through each section just so you guys get an idea of how I've actually organized myself in my life. So the top shelf consists of all of my fragrances, my wipes, all my like daily stuff, face stuff, skincare stuff, oils. There's some repellent in there in case I travel. That Jungle Formula. If somebody knows about Jungle Formula, please let me know. The second shelf I have organized from shampoos to conditioners. And you guys are more than familiar with some other products that I've used that are presented here. Some are new, some you guys have already seen me use. So I've got my shampoos on one side and my conditioners on the other, as you guys can see. And then at the bottom I've got all of my styling products, and I haven't had time to actually organize them in terms of like the lock method, and that's the intention. I'll have all of my oils in the middle, I'll have my leave-ins on one side, and then I'll have all of my creams on the other. And then further towards the bottom I've got all of my edge controls, all my gels, all my other styling stuff. So that's more stuff that I need to organize. As you guys would have seen right at the bottom, again, more miscellaneous stuff. A couple of the baskets that I'm keeping in that position as well. So that's pretty much how I've organized it, how I will continue to coordinate and organize some of my products. It's just so much easier. Like, it's so much easier to see something and be like, oh, that's where you are, as opposed to like in boxes or in storage or in basket storage things where you're confused about life and you don't know where you're going. So this definitely makes it a lot easier. Okay, so then that is everything that you see on the shelf and how I've organized it. And then of course, because we don't waste not whatnot, I have now converted the baskets into lovely storage units that are more manageable, that I can clearly see what's actually in it, because before I'd be like rummaging through stuff. It's just nice to know that, okay, that's here, that's there, that's there. For the first basket, I've got all of my hair bands, all of my accessories for my hair, because you know me, I like a good accessory. If you don't already know about Forever 21 accessories, please just bring yourself to know about life. You will find some really good accessories in there. I've got these little like bandana band things in Forever 21. You know, my flowers, I've used a number of flowers. I've used a number of flowers in my videos. My clips, I don't really use these clips anymore, the crocodile clips, because I use my bands, as you guys know, when I'm doing my wash day now. I got my thread from my weaving days. Listen, waste not, what not. You can never throw away thread. You never know when you might need it. We all know now threading is also good for stretching the hair. So one I haven't done before, and I think I definitely will be doing a video on threading hair this year. So I'm excited about that. The bobby pins, they're all in here. I've got all of my combs in this one. So comb, scissors, blow dryer, brushes, all of that kind of stuff in this basket. My cosmetics, pads and tissues and earbuds or whatever you call it, everything's in here. So like this goes right under where like I get ready in the morning, where I do my makeup and all of that kind of stuff. That is how I have decluttered and organized my life for 2018 in terms of natural hair products. It will be so much easier to just grab something. I know exactly where everything is. I don't have to rummage through it and like, where is this, where is that? I waste a lot of time doing that. So I'm really excited that now I know where everything is. I know what I need to grab, when I need to grab it, and then I'm ready to just shoot off, get out, or shoot or film. And it's just so refreshing. It's really refreshing. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're checking me out for the very first time, or you're returning but you haven't actually subscribed, I'm wondering why, you know. I'm just wondering why, because if you keep coming back but you're not subscribed yet, if you're checking me out for the first time, I get it, you're checking me out, you're feeling me out, but if you're returning and you still haven't subscribed, then we know what we need to do, right? Because if you want to be part of the team, then you definitely have to subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a beat. Also, turn on the auto notification bell. That way you're notified every single time I post a video, every single time, and then you never miss anything, right? Exactly. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And until the next video, bye!